Right now, people are getting paid online from different parts of the world using AI skills. And the crazy part is, some of them started with just their smartphone, internet facility. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 AI skills that can create global opportunity for you this year. And you'll be sitting down and thinking, oh, I'm a beginner. That doesn't matter. You can start. You don't need to be a tech professional to start this. AI is creating new income opportunities faster than people realize. These 2 AI skills, you can learn them in 2 weeks and start getting paid to do something for someone. And now some of you may be wondering to say, oh, Titi, in your previous video, you said you were not going to talk about AI. Guess what? I thought I was going to show you a skill that you do with your hands. But my subscribers, you know yourselves. You people started chatting me up, calling me, saying, please, we need a skill that we can do with our laptops, with our phones. And that is why this video has come to you today. So don't sleep on this video. Now, a quick disclaimer. The AI is not a magic money producing machine. So you need consistency, you need discipline, you need hard work, you need to be motivated to do this, to start getting paid. So have that at the back of your mind. And guess what? If you embrace this opportunity, you will be glad you did. And you come back to say, Titi, thank you. Hi everyone, if you're seeing me for the first time, I am Titi. You can call me Titi. Here we talk about everything business and opportunities. On this edition, we will be talking about digital skills, AI skills, and online income. Now, we will be looking at 2 AI skills that we can create, work on, and start getting paid. And when I say getting paid, I'm not saying we are going to make so much money, but you will make small side hustle money. I always say small side hustle money, so that you know this is not a magic box where money will just start popping up. So stick with me while I introduce you to number 1. The first skill is AI design and branding. Business owners desire flyers, they desire branding, their logos and all that. Even on the streets of YouTube, people need someone to design thumbnails for them. And I can testify to you that I design my thumbnails with the help of AI tools. So I can also do it for someone and get paid. So that's where I say small side hustle money comes in. So there are businesses, there are companies that need people. Most of these companies have money. They just need someone that will just come design and go. Some are boutiques, restaurants. They just need someone that will walk in, do their graphics for them, do a flyer, do a billboard or something, a signboard, do it for them, put colors, beautiful icons and all that and go. And that is where AI branding and design comes to play. Now, the word branding is just on its own, but here we are using AI to create it, because you are not a professional in this branding business. This is where AI comes to play. All you need is your phone. You learn some apps that I'm going to mention to you right now. You go download these apps, put them in your phone, study them, learn how to use every application on this app, and before you know it, you are making flyers, you are producing thumbnails, you're making beautiful graphics for people. So don't sleep on this. Now, talking about the tools that you need Adobe app and you need Canva. You know, you have a phone, you have apps. Some of you even have Adobe, you have Canva, and you don't even know that these apps can help you to create logos for someone, to create graphic for someone, to help you create a thumbnail. So please don't sleep on this. Grab this opportunity. You may be making a small money, but if you calculate $1 per day, €1 per day, €1 per day, you are making so much money at the end of the month. Now, for you to get started, I want to advise you. It's like saying, oh, I want to be a caterer, and you don't want to learn how to wash the groceries. You will be a failure, because you must always wash the groceries. These are rules that I want you to imbibe, to use it on a daily basis so that you can grow in this business. Learn basic designing principles. Don't just jump into designing. Learn the principles that go with designing. Practice on a daily basis to create thumbnails. Look at how YouTube thumbnails are created, the size that is used for YouTube, create graphics, design beautiful ones that someone can use on LinkedIn, create beautiful ones for X, for Facebook, for WhatsApp, do different design and put it on your social media platform and let people know this is what you do. You can even take someone's logo that the person has already created and do a better version of it and show it to the person. This is what I do. Before you know it, you don't even need to do too much advertisement. Once you put it on your social media platform and people see it, they will look for you. So this is an opportunity that you should not sleep. Even with simple design knowledge, you can do an impressive job and people will commend you for it. So don't sit down in the house, fold your hands and say, I don't have a job, I don't have anything to do. This is an opportunity I want you to grab. Now, number 2 is AI presentation design. This is an area that is underrated. People think, what is AI presentation design? People think it's not necessary, but it's something that people are cashing in and out because companies need it. Big companies, they need it. Business owners need it. And now you'll be wondering, what is AI presentation design? I'm going to talk to you about it. Have you heard of pitch decks? Now you know what I'm talking about. Have you heard of school presentation? Have you heard of business slides? Have you heard of trainings in offices? Oh, we are going for a training and somebody comes, stand in front of the projector and the person is talking and is doing like this. Those are slides. Someone worked on those things. The manager did not work on it. The CEO did not work on it. Someone else did those slides that you admire on projectors when you go for seminars and when you go for meetings, board meetings. So that is where you come in. That is what is called AI presentation design. It is presentation design, but this is AI comes in to assist you. So this is an opportunity I don't want you to sleep on. It is fresh, as I earlier said. Most businesses, coaches, teachers, they need this presentation design for webinars. They need it for classes. They need it for business seminars. They need it for trainings and meetings. So these things I just called are not small things. When you're preparing a meeting, you're preparing a seminar, you're preparing for a summit, you have money in your hands. So these people are rich people that can pay you to do their presentation design. So all you need is to put yourself out there, learn it very well, put yourself out there on your social media platform. With AI tools, your presentation becomes easier and faster. Now you'll be wondering, okay, Titi, what apps do I need to start learning this presentation design? You need Google Slides, you need Microsoft PowerPoint, and you need Canva to start learning presentation design. And these AI features can help you with layers, design ideas, text generations, and many other features that I may not mention here, but it will help you to prepare your presentation design for your clients. So you're not just writing from your head. Of course, you write from your head because the company will tell you what they want to be on that presentation design. But you have the AI tools to help you design it in a manner and way that will be presentable and attractive. Imagine a business owner that wants to present his ideas to an investor. That is where you come in. Imagine a CEO that wants to present his project to an investor. That is where you come in to prepare their presentation design. AI apps can help generate ideas for you, organizing content, creating layers for you, improving your designs, and suggesting beautiful colors for you. So this is where you and AI are working hand in hand. He brings your idea to paper. You give him your ideas and he brings it out to the physical. Now, there are some steps I would want you to imbibe before you start this journey. Study clean slide designs. Practice redesigning old presentations and also practice using templates so that you know what you're doing. Use AI tools to improve creativity and speed in your work. Sample presentations and post them on your social media platforms so that people can see what you are doing. And make sure your presentation designs are attractive and beautiful. A lot of people overlook presentation design as a side hustle or a business. But guess what? Many people are cashing out on a weekly basis because it is in high demand. This is a business opportunity that I don't want you to sleep on. If you're redundant, you're not doing anything, you don't have a job, you have a beautiful smartphone, even if you have a laptop, you can start this business. Start learning it step by step. Be consistent and put in all your best. Before you know it, by the time you show people what you're doing on your social media platform, you'll be shocked at the responses you'll get. AI is creating new opportunities for everyone every day, and I don't want you to be left behind. I am a testimony that AI works. So I want you to jump into this train of successful AI web designers, AI presentation design, and AI design and branding. Don't sleep on this until I see you in my next video, where I'm going to teach you a side hustle, a skill that you will do with your hands. Because remember, in my last video, I told you that I was going to show you a skill that you use your hands to make money for yourself. You'll be amazed, you will be blown on what you will learn. So until then, love life, live life, and enjoy your life. I remain your host. TT is always here for you at Tatale.